Hey everyone, this is Michael with Efficient Fleets, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a preventative maintenance reminder for your vehicle or equipment in AirIQ. This is very easy to do, and as you guys know, I really love easy to use software, and I think that AirIQ has done a great job with making everything really easy to do. So let's go ahead and get going. I'm going to show you how easy it is. So once you're logged into your account, all you really have to do is click on Setup, go to Notifications. Then a new tab opens up with your notification setup window. All you got to do next is click on Alert Trigger. Once that window pops up, or once that screen pops up, just type in a name. So I'm going to just type in Maintenance Reminder, easy to do. Then I just want to choose the alert that I need, and in this case, of course, it's Maintenance Reminder. Very simple. Just scroll down the list till you find it, click on it. Now you got it selected. The next thing you need to do is just choose who is going to receive the maintenance reminder. So I'm going to choose me at the bottom of that list there. All you got to do, then just click Save. Now your maintenance reminder is set up, and you'll get, or I will get, an email when the maintenance reminder is due for the vehicles in that list. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Oh, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.